Good morning! Milo the Monkey wakes up swinging happily inside his sunny jungle treehouse. Milo opens his banana notebook, excited to learn something new today. Milo looks at a big jungle calendar and scratches his head confused.
Silly Milo, today is Monday! Hey, no! Bananas everywhere!
Milo prepares fruit snacks, but oops, he eats them all himself.
Happy Wednesday!
It's Funny Friday! Winding down, winding with funny tricks! Packy's Monica with Packy's Fireworks!
Milo tries coconut roller skates, slips fast, and crashes into bushes.
Whoa! Saturday fun! Milo jumps into giant leaves and disappears completely.
On sleepy Sunday, Milo relaxes in a hammock and snores loudly.
Let's check the notebook. Wow, 7 days in a week! Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Saturday, what a day!
Now Milo writes the days carefully on his big jungle chalkboard.
Okay, class, let's review our days of the week. What's after Sunday?
Monday after Wheezy.
Thursday, of course.
Ready, everyone? Days of the week!
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
All the animals clap and cheer for Milo's smart learning.
Wow!
Everyone dances while Milo slips and moonwalks on banana peels. Milo proudly places the last sticker inside his banana notebook.
Remember, kids, there are 7 days!
That night, Milo sleeps peacefully, dreaming.
Wednesday, banana!